How to make money on YouTube without making videos. Meditation niche. I'm making up to $500,000 per month without even making videos. Oh yes, you heard it right. The first thing that comes to your mind might be, is that even possible? Then yes, it is possible. Here, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without making videos for this simple niche. Did you know that you can go from $0 to $50,000 even if you're a beginner? Here, I'm going to explain this to you by showing some example channels that are brilliantly working on the meditation niche. Yes, it's meditation this time. By revealing the analytics of those channels, you will get to know what strategies they are using for making tons of money on a monthly basis. So you get the idea of how to make money in this simple niche without even making videos. All you need to do is follow these simple steps that will help you to maximize your number of views and make even more money. Here, I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks you might be unaware of. These are also followed by the popular channels that earn more and more money on YouTube. Make sure you're going to apply the same techniques and strategies so it will help you in gaining millions of views and subscribers in no time. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Take out your notebook and note down some important points in case you don't miss out on any of the parameters. We are talking about the simplest niche, meditation. Meditation cultivates your body, your mind, and the energy to a certain level and is a certain quality that flourishes within you when a particular atmosphere is given to a person. If there is a spring, flowers blossom. The same is the case with meditation. It's an automatic process. You just have to sit and enjoy the tranquility. You can actually get huge traffic on your meditation YouTube channel. Once you get around this niche and come across its CPM, you can earn a minimum of $10,000 or more. How to make money online without making videos. I'm going to show you some of the latest methods and techniques that these meditation channels are using. This is an excellent niche with a fantastic opportunity on YouTube to make money out of it. If you are new to YouTube, stay up to date with the latest hacks and come up with trending videos that can grab the viewer's attention. This is going to help a lot in gaining more and more views within less time. Competition. Let's talk about whether it will work or not. So yeah, there is no high competition in the meditation niche as in other niches. So it's the perfect time to give it a start and boom your channel by using the right strategies. Millions of people are searching for the meditation keyword every single day. There is great potential for you for running a channel in a niche like this. Simple videos with some meditation music in the background. Music matters a lot in meditation. Always go for relaxing and soothing music in the background of your video. Also, if you want to create your own compelling content, you just need to have soothing videos. Videos of nature landscapes would be a good choice for meditation videos. You can download these types of videos from different marketplaces on the internet, such as pixabay.com, pexels.com, which are absolutely free. Download these videos, put them in meditation relaxation videos, set soothing background music leading people to meditation, and here, your video is ready. You don't have to film any video, no personal appearance, no camera, and even not a microphone is needed. And you need no previous experience as well for running a meditation channel. Upload video more often. Another strategy that helps you to make money out of it is to upload a video on a regular basis. Uploading a video more often gives you the best benefit and increases your chances of succeeding on YouTube. Upload a meditation video once or twice a week. At least a video a week, specifically if you just created your YouTube channel until your monetization gets applied. These videos don't take much time. If you search for meditation videos, you see most of them using stock images in the background, and they attach some meditation music. You can also do it the same way. Now it's time to show you some example channels, how they are working and what they are earning. Top example channels: 321 Relaxing, Meditation Relax Clips. You might have heard the top meditation channel that is 321 Relaxing Meditation Relaxes Clips. This channel makes simple meditation videos. But still, it stands out with its remarkable subscribers of 1.23 million, a great watch time with an estimated earning of $2,000 to $31,800 per month. That's crazy. Here you might be wondering how they manage such good analytics. They come up with the literally same type of content in this channel, some soothing scenes and a piece of pleasant music in the background. You can check the live analytics of any YouTube channel from the Social Blade. Just copy the channel name and paste it onto the website. In case you don't know about this website, for your understanding, a brief intro. It's a website that provides the analytics of any channel, page or anything on any social platform. Outsource. Well, if you know nothing about meditation and are still passionate about maintaining your own meditation channel and don't have the skills to make meditation videos for your channel, you don't need to worry about that. You can outsource your videos and pay other meditation experts to make a video for your channel. This is the super easy method if you have strong, convincing communication skills. You just need to give details to another person about what kind of video and a piece of meditation music you want in the video. Rest, they will do for you. Meditation Relax Music. You might also have heard of a top meditation channel, Meditation Relax Music. If not, do check out this channel. You would be surprised to know they don't upload videos that frequently and still manage to get so many views and make tons of money out of it. It has 2.37 million subscribers, a great watch time, and an estimated earning of $1,900 to $31,000 per month. That's amazing! Meditation relaxes music, grabbing the viewer's attention by striking the peaceful videos. They really come up with amazing videos and remarkable strategies that generate significant revenue. You can also check its analytics from the Social Blade. If you're camera shy, this niche allows you to come up with the content without coming in front of the camera. For this type of channel, you only need compelling videos that you can download from different marketplaces on the internet, which I already told you, such as pixabay.com, pexels.com, or many other, and upload it onto your channel, setting up the music on the background while relaxing. Attractive thumbnails. Did you know, making an attractive thumbnail is another hack that grabs the viewer's attention? There are different marketplaces on the internet, such as freepik.com, where you can download simple yet elegant photos. Add little but clear text to these images. Color scheming and a good contrast can also make your thumbnail more attractive. And I'm sure you guys can make amazing thumbnails. Enlightenment meditation music. Here's another channel doing pretty much wonders in the meditation world. This channel gains subscribers between 2,000 to 3,000 every day and makes tons of money. You guys don't believe this channel is making money with an average of $3,900 to $63,000 per month. Wow, that's incredible! They're making that much with just 965,000 subscribers. The most interesting thing about these channels is that they aren't showing their faces. But still, they create wonders with 1 million subscribers. These channels make a simple video with pleasant background music because that is what people want to see. People go on these channels for meditation videos, obtaining deep relaxation. There are also some meditation channels that show their faces. Honestly, I don't know why they do so. They don't really need to. Maybe they want a celebrity or for some other gains. That's all for today's video, and if you have any queries or any other type of topic for a video, then leave a comment down below. I will be bringing it up for you in my next videos, or just comment below with I subscribed. We'll be personally giving a reply to your comment. Don't forget to find us on Instagram under the same username, and don't forget to follow us there if you want to get some basic and daily YouTube tips. We'll be back with more videos, and we will see you in the next one.